And today we're at a nature reserve. Yay!
We're going to find some animals.
Let's go see what we can find. Come on, let's go.
Here's Julius from Julius Silva, YouTube. We're here at the nature reserve in Mafra. This is the king's grounds.
This is where he hunted food off a fan.
Conseguem ouvir? A questão desta ave em si trata-se de uma ave muito pouco sociável mesmo. E além disso trata-se de uma ave apenas com 2 anos de idade. Ele é um juvenil ainda, não é? No entanto ele é muito simpático. Comigo tem uma relação maior porque durante o primeiro ano, quando ele não era nada sociável, ele nunca trabalhou com o público. O que é que ele fazia? Fazia caça só ele e eu, em estado selvagem. Por um lado é interessante vocês verem-no agora porque voa muito mais rápido, por outro lado tem estes problemas, por exemplo, com a língua.
Wow, Khara, how cool. That's really you. Look at Daddy, Daddy. And look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Daddy, I've seen the dinosaurs.
Have some courage, Carter. Oh, yeah.
Let's hope they treat the horses nice.
Yeah, I think they look after the horses here, like all the other animals. You having a nice time, Carter?
Yeah, this is my fighting stick if we get in danger.
In danger? Against what? The wild boar?
Oh yeah.
Let's go then, let's go and see if we can find it.
Come on.
Hey Julius! You having fun?
Yeah.
What do you have? An acorn? Where did you find that? Yeah? In the ditch? It's lovely, let me have a look.
See, the brown ones are young ones.
Oh, you've got one as well, Julius?
Yeah.
And Carter, you've all got one.
Yeah, they came from my bag.
Let's see.
Look.
Wow.
It's an acorn.
Yeah, it's an acorn. Let's see if we can find some more on the way round. There you go, Khara's found another one, a wish stick. Make a wish. Ready? Nod when you've made your wish. You made your wish, Khara? 1, 2, 3, pull. Oh, Carter got it that time.
But where is the treasure?
The treasure? We've got to keep going to find it. Should we keep going?
Yeah.
See if we can find the treasure. Where to next? Maybe there's a clue.
Where is the clue?
Is there a clue? There's a big hole. Maybe we have to keep going this way. There's a light bulb. Look, can you see the light bulb sign? Yeah. Maybe that's a clue. Maybe that's saying you're on the right path, you just need to keep going. Look in here, Khara. Oh, look at these. These are quite cool, aren't they?
Well, where is the horses?
I don't know.
Maybe we have to keep on going.
Yeah.
Keep on going to the magic treasure!
What was that? I didn't quite hear you.
Keep on going to find the treasure.
The treasure!
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go then.
Vai tirar uma fotografia no verão ainda a ver. Não sei se